What makes the Prophet ﷺ's character so beautiful is he did not give himself the nicknames of a Sadiq al-Amin, the honest one and the truthful one. He didn't tell people to refer to him in a certain way, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But those qualities became undeniable and undetachable from the mention of the name Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sought the praise of Allah Azza wa Jalla, not the praise of the people. Now I want you to think about, in our situation, let's say you're honest, let's say you're trustworthy, let's say that you show good qualities, but you show good qualities only to the extent that they have worldly benefit. Eventually, a little bit of a collision will expose the insincerity of those good qualities, will expose the insincerity of that good character. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. Allahumma ameen. Eventually the character will be exposed, and it will show itself to be for other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ لِمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو اللَّهَ وَالْيَوْمَ الْآخِرِ وَذَكَرَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا. The three ingredients is, if you're pursuing the character of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you're not pursuing the qualities of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to be loved by the people the way that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was loved by the people, because he was loved by the people. If you're pursuing the character of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you're not pursuing the character of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to be praised by the people, because he was praised by the people for those characters sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But you have to interrogate yourself and ask yourself, do I have the same motivations that the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had? Do I want what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam wanted? Do I intend as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended? Am I refining for the same reason that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in constant refinement alayhi salatu wassalam, and perfecting the perfect sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while we are inherently imperfect?